Hi everyone, this is the video tutorial that you requested. So I'm going to show you all the steps to create and add a new article on your website. When you go to your website, you have to type forward slash WP dash admin. Here you will need to add the user and the password to access the backend. You will see several options on the left, but we're going to focus only on the post option here. There is a list with all the articles that we have previously added to this website. So the last one was teaching teens financial responsibility. All right. So when you click edit with Elementor, takes a while, but you will see how we added this information on this article, on this post. All right. So we're going to take this as a sample to create a new article. All right. So when you click every single paragraph here, you will see options on the left. For instance, if you click here on the style tab, there is a typography option. When you click that, you see that there is the font size and the line height. Also, you see that there is a text color option. We have selected this specific color, which name is color single post. All right. So let's say that we're going to add a new post right now. Let's click here, add post. And I'm going to add the latest article from scratch. This is it. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste it here. Let's put a name, which is teaching teens financial financial responsibility. All right, let me just remove this. All right, I'm gonna copy here. Responsibility. All right, I'm going to click Save Draft and then click here where it says Edit with Elementor. The Edit with Elementor shows you the page builder, which is an easier way to add content to the articles or to the pages. All right. So this is the section where you are going to add text, headings, image, anything. All right. So click the plus icon, select this layout. All right. Now, after the section has been added, you need again to click the plus icon, and then you are going to add a text editor element here. You drag and drop it here. All right. So after I drag that element onto the section, you see that there is like a fake text. Remove that and paste the the text that you copy from the PDF or from from any source that you have. All right. Now when you do that, you see that the text is not correctly formatted. All right. So what you have to do is you have to go one by one each line like this, to make it look properly. All right. Then it comes another heading. So copy the heading. And now we're going to add, instead of a paragraph, we're going to add a heading. Now click here on the plus icon at the top to add an element and spot the heading element. Drag it and drop it here. Replace this text with the heading and do the same over again like this. All right. I'm going to copy the whole paragraph. 1, 2, 3, 4 paragraph. And then again, add an element, text editor, put it here, right? Remove the fake text and then do the same to remove the spaces, just like this. All right, like this. This is going to take a while, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna leave the recording so you see how much it takes. All right. Long-term goals. 1, 2, 3, and you're supposed to have 4. Machine at school. All right. And then financial independence. Where is it? I keep here, right? And controls. All right, controls. Now we have added these 4 paragraphs. We need to add a new heading. Again, we copy it. We click add element, drag the heading under the paragraph, remove the fake text, and put the heading. All right. And again, copy the paragraph, add the paragraph element, remove the fake, and again, do the same thing again, right? Like this means 1, 2, 3, 4, each expenses. This is a paragraph. That's the second one. This is the third one. Due dates until like this. Adult. Now again, we have another heading. Again, you already know the steps to add the head. We do the same here. Editor. One, two, three. 1, 2 from a donation. Paragraph. That's the first paragraph. And then the second one here. All right. So this one belongs to another section. Right. Here, staying safe from scams. Click here on add element, text editor, and replace the fake text with the one from the document. Like this. And then format the paragraph. This is the first one until here. And then this is the last one. So now this is the article, all right? But right now it doesn't show up like all the previous articles. So we need to style the color and the font size. You see? You see the difference? This is a different color on the title. This is like a navy blue or I don't know. So we have to change that. So if you click here on On this example, you click the pencil icon and then the style. I showed you previously that the font size should be 16 and the line height should be 27. So we're going to do the same for every single paragraph here. Let me change that right now. 16 here and 27. Right? There's an issue here. And we do the same for the other. Oh, hold on. Also, we're missing the color. So when you click here, the text color, you choose the single post color. Let me do that. Text color. Now it looks correctly. We do the same. Click on the pencil icon, style tab, typography, and then change this to 16. And then the line height to 27. So probably you will see that after you change the font size, you'll see some empty spaces, so you have to fix them. Right? For instance, here, 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 like this. And we change now the color single post. You see now it looks completely different. We do the same again here, style, typography 16, line height 27. You see now that it has changed. So let me fix this again for each fence. You see there's space in here, so we have to remove it. Now it looks correct. Let's change the color. Now it's good. All right, and then for the last paragraph, the last two, we do the same. 16 on the font size, 27 for the line height. And then we change the color for color single post. That's the color that we need to set to the paragraph. So here you see that after the font size change, the paragraph as well. Change that. Right. And then the last one. Click the pencil icon, click the style tab, and then typography. 216. Like this. And then 27. And then change the text color to color single post. You see, we have to fix this again. Staying safe. They don't recognize like this. Now it looks almost the same. We're missing the title. So let's select the title, click on the pencil icon, and you see that this is supposed to be H2. Let's see. Right now, this one is H2, which is correctly, but I think the font size has to be changed. So when we go to the style tab and then the typography, we need to change the font size of the heading to 20 and the line height to 27. Also, the text color should be this one. You see, 2E4692. So let's go back, click the heading, click the pencil icon, go to style tab, and then here on the typography, we change the font size to 20 and then the line height to 27. All right. And then the text color should be 2E4692, like that. And we apply the same styling to the rest of the headings. Go to the pencil icon, style, typography, font size to 20 and then 27. and then the text color to E4692. Again, the same here, 20, and then 27. The color, we select that, and again, this is repetitive tasks. No, but this is what I do. All right, and here. Now we have our article correctly created. Let's say that it's done. We click on publish. All right. I'm not going to publish because this is just a sample. And also because it's already published on October 24th. So I'm not going to publish it. I'm just going to save it as draft. All right. But also you can also see how it looks. So click here where it says view page. And this is how it looks. You see? Every single paragraph. Just like the document that you send me, like this. Now, after we have created an article, you might need to show it here. So what we do is, let's go to the news and articles, all right? Let's go to the news and articles. And then let's say that instead of um, showing this article up here, let's say that we want to replace it with this one, which is the latest. All right. Let's click here on the article, Teaching Teens Financial Responsibility, and we're going to copy this URL. Right. Let's copy. And now we have to go back to the backend. Right. This is the backend. So what we need to do is let's go here to this option on the left. You see these three lines on the left side at the top, and then click here where it says exit to WordPress. After we have done that, we need to find an option that says templates on the left side. You see here, it says post, media, pages, comments, element, pack pro, Elementor, and then it says template. So we have to go to this option and then go to theme builder. All right. Now we need to change the header because that's the one that manage this section at the top. The top bar, the logo, and the menu. So click here where it says header, and then you will see this one and this one. We're going to focus only on this one because this is the one that is active and published. This one is draft. So now let's click here where it says edit. And then here, you see, we have several sections. You see the structure at the right size. I mean, at the right side. So for instance, if we want to make, if we want to change the article, what we need to do is we need to click here on the text. Let's say, teaching teens financial responsibility. All right. We have changed the text, but now we need to change the URL. How can we do that? So you see here on the structure, we click here on this on where it says section, and then on the left side there is a wrapper link option. This is where we paste our URL here. Let me do that again. I'm going to remove this. This is the place where we do right click, and then paste like this. And then you just publish. I'm not going to do it because that means that this is going to be replaced, but that's how you do it. And that's basically done in, let's see, 20 minutes. So far, have used 20 minutes from the moment that I have opened the document and do exactly the same steps. So if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'm happy to help.